guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget, subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Motiv wheel and many more that we sell in Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Motiv. The style is called 433MB. The size is going to be 18.7.5, offset plus 40, bolt pattern 5 on 114.3 with a 73.1 center bore. The finish is gloss black, machine face. And whenever you shop for this wheel, guys, this is the part number. It's the 433MB-8756540. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'm going to open it up. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about the wheel? And give me a heads up if you like this one, or if there's another Motiv wheel that you like. Don't hesitate. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll showcase it for you. So here you have it. Simple, clean, 5-spoke Motiv, the 433MB. So it's a simple 5-spoke wheel, machine face on the front, black gloss black windows in the back. You'll use conical C lug nuts on this. TPMS sensor is compatible to this wheel, and it's just a simple pop-in center cap in the center. So nice full machine. The machine goes all the way out to the edge of the lip. Goes around the wheel. That way it gives it a nice separation to the tire and the wheel. Does it get simpler than this? On the back side of the wheel is 73, guys, so you'll need hub rings for whatever vehicle you may have. We do carry them. We could supply them for you. And not much, man. This is a simple for any passenger vehicle, 5-spoke. If you guys are interested in this Motiv wheel or any other Motiv design, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.